Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you another fun way to decorate pumpkins. So you all know that I love Miss Mustard Seed's milk paint. Well, I thought it would be really fun to use milk paint to decorate pumpkins. And the great thing about this project is that it's fully customizable. You can choose any colors that you want to achieve your own farmhouse flair look. That's perfect for your fall tablescape or for your front porch. So if you want to see the very simple way to apply milk paint to pumpkins, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to bust out your paint and to start decorating your pumpkins. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.